Introducing the Memphis Ultimate by Pit Boss. The Memphis Ultimate combines 4 cooking appliances into one. First, it's a 3-burner gas grill with heavy-duty cast iron cooking grids, an upper rack, automatic lighting, and easily serviceable stainless steel burner tubes and porcelainized flame diffusers. Secondly, it's a premium charcoal grill with adjustable cooking levels, air intake, and exhaust. Third, it's a full-size electric smoker for smoking delicious barbecue, roasting a turkey, or bacon. The large wood chip tray is easily accessible from the outside, so you can refill without having to open the oven door. And fourth, the Memphis Ultimate doubles as an offset smoker. Pull the internal dampers to add smoke to your food while cooking on either the gas or the charcoal side. You can even use the upper cooking area as a cold smoker for cheese, fish, or jerky. The Memphis comes standard with tool hooks, storage drawers, and grease drawers. Unlike low-end grills that end up in landfills, the heavy-duty Ultimate is built to last, weighing in at 215 pounds. Combine your gas, charcoal, and hardwood smoking needs into one great-looking appliance. Pit Boss, bigger, hotter, heavier, and more versatile than any other brand on the market.